In the last episode, we explored how blockchain evolved from Bitcoin's immutable ledger to Ethereum's world of programmable smart contracts. Today, we're going one step deeper. To understand RWA, we need to understand tokenization, the technical process that turns real-world value into digital assets that can move freely on-chain. At its core, tokenization starts with a simple idea: representing ownership of an asset as a digital token. Instead of a paper certificate, ownership becomes a line of code recorded on the blockchain. But how does that actually work? The process begins with the off-chain world. Real estate, bonds, commodities. These assets exist physically or legally outside the blockchain. A trusted entity verifies the asset, records its details, and locks it under legal or custodial control. Next comes the on-chain representation. A token is created through a smart contract that defines its supply, its rules, and its rights. One token may represent 1 share of a building, $1 of a treasury bond, or 1 gram of gold. The smart contract becomes the digital engine that governs how these tokens behave, how they transfer, how they settle, and how value moves between owners. Then comes programmability. Through code, transfers can settle instantly, compliance checks can run automatically, and ownership records are updated without intermediaries. This automation is what makes tokenization powerful. It reduces paperwork, minimizes settlement delays, and creates a transparent record that cannot be altered. But tokenization isn't only about speed or efficiency. It also creates accessibility. Assets once limited to institutions, like commercial real estate or government bonds, can be divided into smaller, more tradable units. This fractionalization opens the door for broader participation and new liquidity. Finally, all tokenized assets exist in a shared, open network. This means traditional finance and digital finance can interact seamlessly, with assets moving between platforms, wallets, and ecosystems. Tokenization transforms ownership into something programmable, a bridge connecting the legal world with the digital one. And as the technology matures, this bridge will carry more and more of the global economy. In the next episode, we'll explore the different types of RWA tokens and the essential components behind them, from structures and rights to yield mechanics and risk profiles, all right here on DL Kuching. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's uncover the tokenized future of real-world finance together.